Founded in 2004 by Mr. Ashok Kasana in a modest 10 by 10 feet room, SSA Techno Construction Private Limited has grown into a pan-India engineering powerhouse. With its registered office in Delhi and branch offices in Mumbai, Kolkata, Chennai and Patna, SSA Techno has successfully executed over 1,000 projects nationwide. The company boasts a strong technical team of professionals, engineers and supervisors, and a workforce of over 500 skilled and unskilled workers, making it a key player in specialized civil engineering services. Core strengths: pioneers in specialized construction services, pan-India project execution capabilities, rapid and high-quality project delivery, cutting-edge technologies and materials, trusted by India's leading government and private institutions. Verticals of excellence. SSA Techno operates across 5 major verticals, providing end-to-end specialized solutions. Structural rehabilitation of RCC and steel structures, projects, high-rise buildings, tunnels, dams, bridges, chimneys, airports, power and cement plants, and many more. Techniques: carbon fiber wraps, glass fiber wraps, laminates, FRP systems, steel jacketing, microconcrete, high-strength R4 mortars, etc. Waterproofing of RCC and steel structures. Scope: buildings, water tanks, bridges, airports, basements, etc. Materials: PVC, TPO, HDPE, APP, SBS membranes, polyurea spray systems, etc. PU and epoxy flooring, high-performance industrial and commercial flooring solutions, micropiling, soil stabilization, and rock anchoring. For critical foundations and geotechnical stabilization works. Specialized services: buff insulation, protective coatings, bridge and metro bearing replacements, tunnel grouting, high temperature repair systems, etc. Business vertical contribution: 60% structural strengthening, 25% waterproofing, 15% specialized services, flooring, insulation, anchoring, etc. Major credentials: completed and ongoing projects. Noida Authority Corporate Office, Sector 99, Noida. First in India to use 3-layer and 6-layer 600 GSM carbon fiber wraps. Used over 1,000 tons of microconcrete. Delivered in just 4 months. IIT Roorkee, project consultant. North Block heritage structure. Strengthening of the RBC and RCC structure with carbon wrap and laminate, etc. SPA Bhopal, project consultant. Vishveshwaraya Bhavan, Patna, post-fire rehab. Structural recovery of 2 fire-damaged floors. Use of carbon fiber wraps, high-strength repair mortar, microconcrete, etc. IIT Patna, project consultant. Indira Gandhi Planetarium, Taramandal Building, Patna. Structural strengthening work of beam and slab with fiber-reinforced concrete, mortar, etc. IIT Patna, project consultant. Air Force School, Subrata Park, New Delhi. Constructed in 1967, one of the most prestigious historical schools in New Delhi. Structural strengthening work of columns, beams and slabs was carried out without changing the appearance of the structure. Cambridge School, Srinivaspuri, New Delhi. Constructed in 1961, also one of the most prestigious schools in New Delhi. foundation stone was laid by Vice President of India, Dr. S. Radhakrishnan. Structural strengthening work of columns, beams, and slab using microconcrete and steel jacketing was carried out without changing the appearance of the structure. Supreme Towers at Sector 99, Noida. Structural rehabilitation with microconcrete, PMM, etc. Structural consultant, IIT Delhi. IIT Delhi hosted block Halls Cars. Structural rehabilitation with microconcrete, PMM, glass fiber wrap, and other specialized construction material. Structural consultant, IIT Delhi. Kerry Ingredients Plant, Bawal, Haryana. Structural rehabilitation with steel jacketing and microconcrete, etc. Completed ahead of schedule. Appreciated and rewarded by Kerry management. NTPC Tapovan, Vishnugarh, Uttarakhand. Core cutting, drilling with ROC, anchoring and ground stabilization with cement grouting. Strengthening with microconcrete, PMM, etc. Elan Tower, Gurgaon. Drilling, soil nailing and stabilizing the soil with shotcreting. NHAI, Kadiri Nayudu Palle Bridge, Nellore, Andhra Pradesh. Strengthened with externally pre-stressed HD strands. Microconcrete used. Load tested for 48 hours. Opened successfully for traffic post testing. HL Bridge over Puri Canal, Godisahi in Cuttack, Odisha. Strengthened with chemical injection, microconcrete, shotcreting, carbon fiber wrap, anti-carbonation protective coating, etc. Client R&B Cuttack. Delhi Metro projects. Bearing replacement and pedestal strengthening work executed between 11:30 p.m. and 4:30 a.m. without affecting operations. NTPC plant, Gadarwara, Madhya Pradesh, and APCPL plant, Jhajjar, Haryana. Strengthening of rail tracks of stacker reclaimers and sidearm charger with Hilti anchor bolts and high-strength repairing material. This is a special kind of work and only a very few companies in India having experienced manpower. JK Cement plants, Muddapur, Karnataka, and Nimbahera, Rajasthan. Structural strengthening work of inner lining of clinker silo with high temperature resistant repair mortar, etc. at JK Cement plant, Muddapur. Structural strengthening work of cement silos, raw mill silo, and preheater buildings with microconcrete, PMM, etc. at JK Cement plant, Nimbahera. NTPC Moda, Nagpur, Maharashtra. Strengthening of RCC distressed members of cooling towers with microconcrete, high-strength repairing mortar, etc. NHDC Indira Sagar Dam, Khandwa, MP. Spillway repair with R4 category high-strength repair mortar, etc. Parabolic height, 60 meters. Challenging execution with high safety standards. Jewar International Airport, Greater Noida, UP. Largest in the Asia and fourth biggest airport in the world after completion. Over 60,000 HDPE waterproofing work completed. DRDO project SSPL, Timarpur. PVC and geotextile waterproofing system was laid. Chennai Metro, polyurea and HDPE waterproofing work of metro stations. NTPC Kahalgaon, Bihar. TG waterproofing work comprising of PU-based coating and self-adhesive tar-felt APP membrane with solar reflective coating. NHAI Tunnel, Khandala, Maharashtra. First time post-construction tunnel waterproofing with PVC membrane system. Complex execution using cherry picker and men's left. BRO Tunnel, Sela Pass, Arunachal Pradesh. PVC waterproofing system was executed at -10 degrees temperature under extreme weather conditions. Irrigation tunnel, Katni, Madhya Pradesh. Treatment of leakages using chemical grouting. DLF Hamilton Tower, Gurgaon. PU and epoxy flooring completed to high standards. Our esteemed clients. SSA Techno is a trusted partner for major public and private organizations, including government and PSUs, NHAI, NHPC, NTPC, NHDC, APCPL, CPWD, PWD, DMRC, Indian Railways, NITs, IITs, Noida Authority, IOCL, CPCL, RNB, and many more. Private sector giants, DLF, L&T, Tata Projects, Godrej, Afcons, Shapurji Palonji, Megha, Kerry Ingredients, APCO, Patel, NEC, ITD, Gammon, JK Cement, and many more. Why SSA Techno? Only Indian company operating across all 5 specialized construction verticals. Deep technical expertise, backed by prestigious institutions like IIT Roorkee and IIT Patna. Innovation driven, with first-time applications of global technologies in India. Proven ability to deliver complex and time-critical projects. Thank you. This brief showcases our wide spectrum of capabilities and the impact made by our dedicated team of specialists. SSA Techno Construction Private Limited remains committed to delivering excellence through quality, speed, and innovation.